A very warm good morning to my lovely audience. This side anchor Reena. You're watching Expo Media English. Today I'm here to cover India Soft, and let me tell you, this is India's biggest electronic show. Today we are going to learn about electronics, AI, chatbot, and many more. And I'm sure you're excited just like me to know about it because there are lots of new products is going to be launched today, as well as the technologies and the AI products. So let me do one thing. Let me explore, and I'll be updating you very soon. And I'm very excited for the Bharat payroll because today is going to launch. So let's explore together. Come with me. Hey everyone, this is Reena, and right now I'm with the director of the government of Pondicherry, who is having a stall in the India Soft. Basically, I just wanted to know from you, sir, that what your booth is all about and for what purpose you are here.
See, India's Soft Expo is the 25th. So, we got a call from that our executive director Gurmeet Singh ji. And he just discussed about this, and he told, sir, we can plan this from government of Puducherry side. See, Puducherry is a small UT, and that much not famous in IT sector like Bangalore and Chennai. So now we are planning to improve our IT sectors. So many companies working and so many startups with us. So we decided to set up our pavilion to support our startup and companies. So 10 to 12 startup and companies we brought here, so then they can get the exposure, they can show their product, they can visit the expo, and that is very useful for them. So actually, I honestly speaking, before coming here I was little agitated, okay, what to do, why should, but after discussing with our executive director and our convener from south, Mr. Danish, we found that okay, we can have the chance. Once we came here, really very happy, telling you, because we found our companies are getting a lot of exposure. They are visiting all the booths, and now even so many clients coming to us, and they are discussing and they are seeking support. Even Russian delegates came yesterday, USA team came and discussed, and it's a really fantastic actually. I'm really very much happy we are here actually, and we got the opportunity to discuss so many IT companies, and it's really very much useful for everybody.
So my next question and last question to you: how many companies you have brought over here from the Pondicherry?
In Pondicherry, see, you'll see there 10 to 12 companies are there, and they are doing good in Puducherry. So we want to show to the whole world and country that okay, Puducherry also doing a lot of things in IT sector. So they came here, they are very much happy, and they are feeling very confident that future these things should be continue actually. Even not only India, even we are now thinking going outside also. That is even Russia. We just discussed that July they are having in that Moscow, and US also we are thinking, so that they will get exposure and then they will connect with each other, and this is the future, future with IT only. So we have to think that way positively, and now Puducherry also thinking to boost in this sector actually. So we are planning for IT park and STPI, those things we are planning. So it's a really fantastic experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English. So this is Irina. I'm from Expo Media. First of all, very congratulations to you for
Thank
your
you.
launching.
Thank you.
I just want to know, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, tremendous. Very good.
That's great. I wanted to ask about your launch, what exactly it is and how it's going to help to the people, by the way.
Okay, let me tell my name first. I'm Praveen Edapalli. I'm the global CEO of Vital Global Group of Companies. One of our companies is Pranati Software Services, which does the product development. That's a part of it. We develop this HR and payroll services for most of the businesses, B2B businesses. Because I being a US company, so we need a lot of people need a payroll services here. So that's the reason. Then I came last time India Soft. I understand a lot of international companies coming. They understand the payroll and HR management services. So we built this product to help small to large businesses using very user-friendly approach.
Okay.
So because most of the HR people don't know English and all, we have a multi-language input in this. So it's help everyone to streamline the process of hiring to payroll, end-to-end services.
That's great. So now I will be getting the salary as soon as possible, right?
100% because that's where it is. Until
I think my HR is listening to me and definitely she's going to provide me my salary soon, right?
100%, but if you don't put input in that, your salary won't be credited. You have to put your attendance and leave management should be properly managed.
Yes.
But our AI, we had an AI part that is chatbot. I think no one launched yet.
Yes.
This is the new feature we're launching with the AI chatbot. Somebody comes out and talk to you to fill the forms and help you out in your language.
Okay.
That's the advantage of it.
That's great. Ma'am, I just wanted to know what's your name and how are you feeling right now?
I'm so happy. My name is Vijaya Andapalli.
Okay. So, anything you wanted to say to the Expo Media or to anybody about the launch?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for interacting with
you.
Expo Media
Thank you.
English. Hi everyone, this is Rina and right now I'm talking to the person from LCR. He's a general manager by the way. So sir, I just wanted to know how is the experience of the India Soft right now and what exactly LCR is all about.
Sure, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity. So LCR, LCR is an industry body based out of Bangalore.
Okay.
Electronic City is, as you know, the Silicon Valley story of India started from Electronic City.
Exactly.
There are about 200 plus companies based in this 1,000 acres.
Okay.
And they are a mix of ITES, electronics, hardware, ESDM, semiconductor companies. And of course, there are institutions like IIITB, and there are, the government of India has like CDOT and CDAC presence in Electronic City. So of course, as an industry body which started in 1992, our focus is primarily to help members for their business growth. Hence, we have taken a lot of initiatives. Of course, one of them is being part of these international exhibitions, showcase as an industrial cluster, Electronic City, and then what we do, and our members also can showcase their products and services. And especially this India Electronic Expo and India Soft Expo is very critical because we see a lot of companies coming from outside India because this is an international platform being in Delhi. And a lot of our members, though, even though they are MSMEs and otherwise, they export, they are into export business. I think this is a good platform to get that visibility. Because I see a lot of delegates coming from various countries. Yesterday I met Vietnam Electronics Association, and then a lot of colleagues that come from Brazil. So there's a lot of enthusiasm about the Indian industries. So this platform, I think, gives that face-to-face connect, because it's very important when you're dealing with foreign delegates, and that trust factor is very important when you meet them. So I think that is, I would say, this is the first step of building relationship to engagement in terms of business, and yeah. So that is what I believe. Yeah.
Basically, I just wanted to ask the second question: what exactly you people are serving over here, and who are your target audience?
Come again, sorry.
What kind of things you're serving to the customer right now over here in the India Soft? Why you are the part of India Soft? Why you chose India Soft? And second part of the question is basically, who are your basically target audience? To whom you are focusing more?
Sure. Yeah, so like I said, we have companies that have got, let's say, product companies. For example, if you talk of Vilankani Electronics, they are into servers manufacturing and robotics, which is today everybody talks of drone and robotics and like that. So I think that when they're displaying their products, I think it's that gives that visibility for them. Of course, like there are CDAC and Tata Advanced Systems. They are, for the first time they are launching a satellite. So they thought this is a good platform to give that visibility and also for the business.
Okay, Wipro is also under you, right?
Yeah, Wipro also is a member of LCR.
Okay.
It's certainly. I mean, they have been one of the largest presence in electricity. Yeah.
So thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media English. So hi everyone, this is Irina from Expo Media and I have just met few people from UP, Mr. Shivam and Mr. Ritik right now. So I just wanted to know how was the experience of IndiaSoft and for what purpose you are here?
So I am the visitor here and I have come for the very first time and I have came here to watch what new things are in the market, what is new government is doing for us and what new products I can see and check. So yeah, I'm enjoying here.
That's great. So I just wanted to
visit and explore the things what is going on here and where that is.
what was your best corner for the IndiaSoft right now?
Miss, I have came before half an hour only, so I am exploring.
Okay. So any particular technology you wanted to talk about or any electronic things?
Yeah, the D2C and e-commerce thing.
That's great. Thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media English. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for staying with us till the last. I hope you have enjoyed the complete exhibition and you have just checked it out that we have explored the Bharat Payroll. It's all about for the HR services and everything. And please do only one thing, like our video, share to your loved ones and please subscribe our Expo Media English. And don't forget to comment and follow us on Instagram, expo.mediatv. Thanks a lot.